Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we will be making Dubai chocolate ice cream. Yes, you heard it right. Dubai chocolate ice cream. No ice cream machine necessary. Dubai chocolate is all the craze right now and I am on it. I love it. It's delicious, and once you kind of get the steps down, it's super easy to make. So today we are going to be incorporating that into ice cream, and let me tell you, you will not be sorry because these are a 10 out of 10. So let's get started.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter